how to use the Marshal, json.Marshal in a Golang. Okay, let's start. Suppose I have one slice, okay, and that slice having okay, first we are creating the one struct for that. Okay, type type using student. Okay, sorry, student. Okay, and struct we are passing name is string, id int, and sub is string. We are mentioning here like capital N, sorry, N, IDI, and sub is okay, fine. And we can make here one slice like student, and pass name is Ram, ID is 20, and subject is math. Okay, and now we are creating the json using the json dot what json dot Marshal, and write down here slice. That's all. Okay, it's showing here error because of here need to pass one more argument is error. If error is not equal to nil, then fmt dot println is error. That's all. After that we can type here fmt dot println what json. That's all. Then it will be the showing the good json result. Okay, need to open the terminal, new terminal here using the go documents. Okay, fine, and let's hit here like go run main.go. Okay, this will be the coming. Then I just type here like string only to the making sense. Yeah, and again hit to the this. Yeah, here is the showing good result. Name is equal to Ram, id is equal to 20, sub is equal to subject is equal to maths. This is our json format we are mentioning here. Okay, I think so you understand a little bit like how to use the Marshal in a Golang. Yeah, thanks for watching.